Hey guys, how's it going? It's Nate from Mostly Green, back with another quick video today. I got my Simple Lawn Solution soil loosener. It is the mix is 1 ounce per gallon per 1,000 square feet, and the analysis is ammonium lauryl sulfate 60%, and then says total other ingredients 40%. I got to be honest with you, it smells like hand soap, but as long as it works, it doesn't make a difference to me what's in it. Got my Chapin mini sprayer here, and I'm going to add my 1 ounce of Simple Lawn Solution to it. We'll pour that in. Just knock it around the yard and see if we can fix some problems. It might have been a better idea to fill the sprayer first, because as you can see, I got a soap volcano going on here. And I'm making a mess. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you what it looks like coming out of this sprayer. And as you can see, it does blow some bubbles. It's like soap. This is the end of the sprayer. There's nothing left. It's just spitting out. But as you can see, it looks and smells like soap. I'm sure that's what it is. Sodium lauryl sulfate, I believe, is soap. But if it works, like I said, I don't care what it is. Happy to spray it down. I just sprayed down some Simple Lawn Solutions soil loosener. I have some compacted and dry areas in my front lawn, and I need to get that situation resolved. I don't want to aerate it. I've already overseeded everything. I've already done the whole routine, and there were just a couple spots that needed to be tuned up a little bit. So I went with the Simple Lawn Solution soil loosener. I had a bottle of it sitting down in my basement, and I figured I'd give it a shot after seeing the results that Ryan Knorr got on his channel in the compacted areas of his backyard. So what is the Simple Lawn Solution soil loosener? Basically, the active ingredient in it is sodium lauryl sulfate, which is a wetting agent used in many soaps and shampoos. Now, what it does in the yard is it gets down between the soil particles to allow them to separate from each other. It breaks those little tiny bonds in that dryness. It allows the water to soak through it, and it separates it and opens it up. So I gotta say, I was pretty impressed with the immediate results that I saw. After I sprayed the soil loosener down, I went back and hand watered it in. And what I noticed was that the water, instead of just sitting on top of the dry soil, it dispersed evenly on top of the soil. It didn't run, it didn't roll off, it didn't bead up, and slowly soaked in at an even rate. So I was very pleased to see that, and hopefully I get the same results that Ryan did on his channel. Right now I'm watering in the rest of it, just a real quick water in, and hopefully over the next couple days I'll be able to notice a difference. But hopefully this will solve my problems. Thank you for watching. I'm Nate with Mostly Green.